Hello, today I'm presenting Jacob Weissman and Nathaniel Weissman's boats. And we're going to do a rapid race. These are like cruise ships in the game, pretend. And this is like waves. And I'll show you, those are like big ocean waves. And I'll show you, see this, see that? These are kind of getting considered tsunamis. And to take a closer look, we'll show you. And these boats will be racing in the tsunamis, and we'll see how much tsunamis they do. If one passes all these tsunamis without tipping, but the other one tips and still beats the tsunami, then we'll pass. So, Nathaniel, get my boat, because you're in charge of my boat right now. Because I prepared it. So yeah, pretty big, that big. And we're going to start them off pretty soon. As you can see, which boat's going to win? Which boat's going to win? Both of them had a lot of remodeling today. Both of them. I would say the most that had remodeling would be his. Now Nathaniel, see how much times this one tips? Never mind, it's just a tip.
Oh, on the first lap. Let's see.
Mine made it once. Now here's yours.
The first lap.
Nathaniel, 2 years fast, and then YouTubers will be watching it and go get my boat.
Stop.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh,
I got some
it tipped. Oh, it's coming through. Okay, Nathaniel, start chasing after the boat.
Sorry, boat.
Get mine first.
Sorry, boat.
Nathaniel, get my boat first. That's the way it comes to you. Yeah, get my boat first.
Boat tying because mine.
Nathaniel, go get my boat first. So yeah, pretty dangerous that is. Once they actually made it, and it was perfect. But this time they lost it. So yeah, cheating. Cause look at those rapids, they're quite crazy, do they? Nathaniel, dive in for your boat, fast! People are waiting, your boat! Nathaniel, the boats have one more time. One more time, that's it. The boats have one more time of going. And let them go at the same time. And Nathaniel, let mine go better this time. Try to let them go so they won't tip. Now let mine go. Mine's sideways, it tips. His is just over there. Mine's winning the race by a lot today. Well, that's it for today. See you. Bye.